If you want to try out Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your computer, this quick guide will help you get it up and running in no time. First up, click the link down in the description. It'll take you right to Adobe's official Premiere Pro download page, the safest spot to grab the software. Once you're there, just hit Start Free Trial. Adobe will ask you to pick a plan: individual, business, or student, teacher. For this walkthrough, we'll go with the individual plan, which gives you the full 7-day trial of Premiere Pro. You can even opt for a 7-day Adobe stock trial that comes with 10 free premium assets. Click Continue when you're ready. Next, enter your email and complete the quick form with your info and payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you as long as you cancel before the trial ends. After reviewing everything, click Agree and Subscribe. Then set up a password for your new Adobe account. After that, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Once installed, sign in with your email and password. Inside the app, look for Premiere Pro under the Apps tab and click Install. The download will begin automatically, and once it's done, you're good to start editing. And that's it! You now have the full Premiere Pro experience on your system for the trial period. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to use the link below to support the channel and make sure you get the legit version straight from Adobe. Catch you in the next video.